Alright, so I got my wife's Super C in the shop for the yearly checkup and maintenance and random things. I had to get the generator rebuilt. It spit the front bearing out and it ruined the shaft, so they had to put a new shaft in it. The fuel bowl was leaking. It was one of the Chinese Tractor Supply fuel bowls. So I went to our local salvage yard who sells new parts, and I got a good one. And I'm going to put some putty around here just to rule out any chances of it leaking around the outside of that stem. I got this fuel tank repair putty, and I'm also going to be rebuilding the carburetor and do a full service. Alright, so I got the new fuel bowl in, and I epoxied around where the plug goes in. Carburetor's rebuilt, fresh coat of paint. Alright, here's an interesting one for you. So I put a kit in this and I rebuilt, or I put a new throttle shaft in it. Don't fit. You just gotta watch when you buy these kits. I'm pretty sure it's a China kit, but it is what it is. I'll drill it out. Carburetor's back, installed. I drilled that little throttle shaft hole out, and it's Friday. I filmed that clip on Monday, so it's been sitting all week with gas in it, no leaks. So we're gonna install this tank and put this thing back together. She's in. Next order of business, putting this up here in the steering gear reservoir area. I got some unfortunate news with this corn head grease. It's green. Oh no. So rather than put it in my grease gun, which would make me have to remove a tube that's in there and just make a mess that I don't need to make, I use a syringe like this and a piece of oil sample tubing, and I just stick it on the end of the syringe and I pump it in whatever void I need to go in till it starts coming out. Back again. I'm gonna wrap up this service on this Super C and get it back to work. Steiner tractor, new parts for old tractors. And this is the oil we run in it. Might be controversial, but that's what we've been running with in all our Farmall. Last and final thing, and in my opinion, I think this is pretty important, especially if you leave your tractor outside, is to clean out this oil bath for your air filter. Because sometimes, I don't know if this will have any, let's see. Yeah, it did. Sometimes you'll get condensation or water will make its way down that tube, and all that gook in the bottom has water in it, and it'll rot this bowl out. It's squeaky clean. Go ahead and fill it. I'm going to fill these tires, put some grease in it, and go for a ride.